most viral science video ever.
These are the most viral science videos ever.
Science!
This teacher has a fun way of demonstrating static electricity to his students using a Van de Graaff generator.
They are ready, and you can tell by the hair. We've got hair sticking straight up on just about anybody. Frankie, whenever you are ready, man.
Here's an x-ray of a dog eating food.
Ooh. Oh god, oh no! Wait, this bothers me.
Here's a great example of how your immune system is always fighting to keep you alive. You can see how these white blood cells suddenly swarm and attack this parasite.
Whoa! Go, white blood cells, go!
Here's what it looks like when sweat develops on a human finger.
Ew! No! Why? I don't like that for some reason. I didn't need to know this.
If you rub your eyes during an MRI, this is what it looks like.
Oh, stop! I'll never touch my eyes ever again, bro. Ew. Ew, stop! Stop!
Okay, ruler on the table. You drop something on it, it's gonna fall. But if you put an ordinary piece of paper onto the ruler like that, and then you drop something on it.
Atmospheric pressure.
This is what it looks like to put your hand in hot ice. It's a mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and water. Please do not try this at home, as the water can get very, very warm.
Oh.
This teacher has a really cool demonstration.
I know he told me not to try at home, but there's a person
warm.
sticking the hand in there and it looks very fun. It just looks like that's a good time in there.
This teacher has a really cool demonstration on the effects of liquid methane.
Oh.
This company invented a spray that creates a hydrophobic coating.
What?
So
Cancelled.
anything that is a liquid just slides right off.
Ew, no, I don't like that. Stop that. I don't like that.
You can make a leaf move on water by using soap. The soap lowers the surface tension of the water, which makes it harder for the water to stick to the leaf, which causes it to move around.
I'ma need a second.
This is what happens when you shake and open a can of soda whilst 15 meters underwater.
Cola carbonated beverage here.
Okay. I'm back.
The announcement chat. It is just about to be finished.
Today's plan, at this point, I will just drop the announcement once I end stream on Twitter. I think I'll just drop it on Twitter, and then I have you guys get all excited and yippee! I'll just post it on Twitter, and you guys are gonna be like, yes! Exciting! Yippee! Finally! But we'll do it after the video. I wanna watch the video first.
Here at 2.5 atmosphere somewhere.
Oh wait, the music is still on. So I'm excited. We want it now? Well, it's not. We can't do it now, but it should be done by the time this video is done. And then we just post it on Twitter.
Never try at home. Shaking up your Coke, because you know what's bound to happen when you take your Coke and you open it up and it sprays all over the room. Didn't happen. Look at that.
What?
This company developed a fabric that has the ability to repair itself.
What? Witchcraft. Stop it.
This is a single-cell organism, and
How?
it's about to die. When it dies, it doesn't stop moving, but instead falls apart into little pieces.
What the hell? That sounds so fucked up.
If you take a regular soda can and put it in hydrochloric acid, you'll discover a secret beneath the aluminum.
Me when
The
I
reason why
install
your drink
leak.
doesn't taste like metal is because there's a thin layer of plastic. This plastic is extremely fragile and will break when touched.
What the hell?
If you take water and pour it into a glass, it will reverse the image of whatever's behind it.
Science!
This spray has the ability to form a solid, flexible bond to keep this stack of blocks together. Even when the blocks start to break, the wall remains strong and sturdy.
What the hell? How? Weird science.
NASA created this huge facility to test out their rocket engines. Every time they conduct a test, an enormous amount of hydrogen and oxygen gets mixed together. As a result, these engines are basically pumping water vapor into the atmosphere.
Oh.
After about an hour, this water vapor will eventually fall back down as rain.
It's the cloud machine!
This company created a type of material
Shylily
that
of the
can bend
Taco
light to
Bell.
make the object behind it disappear.
What? Nah, that's witchcraft. What? Uh-huh. What?
This teacher has a really cool demonstration on how different chemicals can affect fire.
Fire, fire.
The
Fiery
Andromeda
fire.
galaxy is on course to crash directly into the Milky Way galaxy. Don't worry though, there's still 4 billion years until this will happen.
Only 4 billion years? We are cooked, chat. We're cooked. Oh, we're so cooked. This is it.
So apparently scientists can now summon lightning.
What the? Oh my god. Firebenders.
What you're looking at right now is water freezing, melting, and boiling at the same time.
What
This is
the
called
hell?
triple point, and every known element can go through this process.
What? How do you achieve this? That's insane. What?
The sun will sometimes have eruptive events called a corona that creates a loop of fire larger than Earth. This particular video is a time-lapse of an event that lasted over 21 hours.
Just like before, we're gonna cover it up, turn it over.
Oh no.
And again, where's the air pressure?
Upwards.
Pushing upwards in all directions, but pushing upwards to hold the liquid in, right?
Yes.
And if I take this off, what should happen?
Pushing up
The water.
Should come out, but
That's not fair.
Witchcraft.
What?
What is this?
John, no, Gabby move, Jonathan move.
What? The science is so freaky.
He's taking a.
And why does it?
This is called mitosis, which is when a cell splits into two identical cells, and this is what's happening in your body right now.
I have my toast.
This is Polaris, which is also called the North Star. What makes this star so special is that it hardly moves in the night sky. The North Star is positioned almost directly above the Earth's northern axis and as a result stays still while the other stars move.
Boy. Science.
This is what snowflakes look like when they form under a microscope. Scientists found a beetle that can survive even after being eaten. After the frog swallows it, the beetle is able to walk through the digestive system and emerge unharmed from the other end.
Girl, I am not gonna watch a frog poop out a beetle. No, that's crazy! What the hell?
Is able to walk through the digestive system and emerge
He
unharmed
eats
from the
it!
other end.
And then it just... No way, it just walks out of his butthole! No! What the hell?
This is actual time-lapse footage of a
Just to
sunset
get
on
eaten
Mars.
again.
The atmosphere on Mars
Just to
makes
get eaten
sunsets blue
again.
instead of red like on Earth. A photographer wanted to see what pills look like when they dissolve in our stomach.
Wow.
They were able to use this to create a completely lab-grown meatball of mammoth meat.
What? How's it taste? God, it looks delicious. I must taste it.
Here's a cool demonstration of a magnet's magnetic field.
Ooh, ooh. Shoo. Whoa.
It took the probe just under 5 years to complete the 500 million mile journey and sent back this amazing time-lapse of the planet's surface. These scientists were experimenting putting a glove in a vacuum and were pretty shocked by the results. Scientists wanted to study how someone with ADHD behaved when watching two very different subjects. By putting a leaf underwater and looking under a microscope, you can see the oxygen bubbles being released.
Wow. Wow, indeed. Yo, bees! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Aye! What's up, bees? Hope you had a
This
fun
is how much
stream. We
gas a
just
typical
watched
car
the leaf
uses while
fart.
driving.
And we watched the butt crawl out of the dog's
And this is how much
ass.
extra gas that same car uses when you absolutely floor it.
Oh.
This is what happens at a microscopic level when you give salt water to a plant that drinks fresh water. The salt water causes
Yo,
the individual
Anchor, thank you for
cells
the
to lose
15.
fresh water
Let's
and
go.
the cells shrink.
They shrink. No! Shrink.
Back in 2020, NASA's Curiosity rover captured a dust devil that had
Dude,
formed
it's
on the
hot
surface of
still,
Mars.
but at least the heat wave, like the big peak for now,
This
is
is how
over.
much sun damage can affect your
we
skin.
got a little bit of a break, you know. Whew. Oh, that looks like my grandpa.
So I found this video of a cool
Jesus.
fish.
That looks just like my grandpa, who's always sitting in the sun, but he always had shorts, and when he didn't wear the shorts, it was just like fucking baby skin, then this is just like Jesus. That was just holy fuck. This looks so much like my. This is my grandpa. Jesus Christ! I hate the way that looks.
So I found this video of a cool fish with a see-through transparent head. I kinda got weirded out once I learned that these are not their eyes. These are their eyes, which they use to look for food.
Their eyes are just looking through a transparent forehead.
The scientists opened up a can
They
of
couldn't
tuna.
just develop eyelids or like any sort of membrane in front of the eyes. They just had to make the whole fucking forehead see-through to look.
And put the meat under a microscope.
Is that what, tuna?
They found that there was microscopic plastic inside of the fish. The plastic that we produce is polluting the ocean, which results in the fish consuming the plastic.
That's fucked up, Tad. It's fucked up.
Let me show you why you can't measure the size of the sun based on
Unfortunately,
taking a
they're very
picture
fucking
or video
tasty.
unless you're using a proper filter. There's the sun. That's how big it is.
What the hell?
Looks a lot bigger until you put a filter on it.
In case you didn't know, the puffballs that come from dandelions are hydrophobic. You can
Hydro
dunk
what,
them in
Cancel?
water and they will still be super fluffy. It will take forever to inflate this bag by blowing into it, but it is possible to inflate an entire bag in one breath by using something called Bernoulli's principle.
Yes.
We're not going to put our mouth right on the bag. And what happens there is as we blow in, surrounding air is pulled in as well. One big breath.
Boom. Science.
This person created a breathing machine to show what
blower.
smoking cigarettes does to the inside of your lungs.
What's cotton blood in my lungs? No, they take my lungs out! My lungs! Give them back! No! Don't smear
In
them!
2021, NASA released this amazing 360-degree photograph
My
of
lungs!
Methane on Mars.
I'm so immature. I'm so happy I'm
Here's
stopped.
a
I wasn't a heavy
demonstration
smoker,
showing
but
how
still,
easy it is
yeah.
to power an LED
100%.
light bulb compared to an incandescent or fluorescent.
I'm glad I never got onto the smoking. Oh, damn.
This incredible footage shows
Never.
the surface
I'm glad I
of the
never went
sun.
onto the
Those
smoking
shifting
hype
patterns
train.
are
Like,
gigantic convection
I'm
cells
good.
carrying heat from deep inside the star. The
That's an
area you're
expensive
looking at
hobby.
is 12 times the size of Earth. Here's what you get when you crash a modern car into one from the 1950s. You can really see how far we've come to make cars safer for drivers.
Damn. Oh, you think you lived that?
This photographer from NASA took thousands of individual photographs of Earth to create this high-quality
Where'd he take him from? Put him back! He just took him from where? Thief!
time-lapse video.
He's doxing my location. Sorry. He can't just take them, the fuck? They belong to someone. But he's doxing us, what the hell?
This is called linear friction welding. It's a way to weld pieces of metal by pushing and rubbing them together.
This is what happens when you push and rub my fucking buttons. I'm gonna fucking melt all over you, and there's gonna be a lot of friction, and you're not gonna like it because it's gonna get hot and steamy in here.
Friction welding is ideal for
Don't
joining
fucking
blades to discs
friction
in
me.
turbine
Don't fucking press
manufacture.
me,
They're called bliss.
or this will happen.
And these are some images of welds made on the new Linfrick machine here at Abington.
This is
The
called a
Linfrick
dermaclip, which helps
machine.
heal wounds without using any stitches.
This is cool.
This isn't a computer animation. This is a ferrofluid clock that uses magnets to move fluid around and tell time.
Where's the time? Oh! Oh! No! What the hell? That's crazy. God, I don't like the way it moves.
These
It freaks me
scientists put
out.
tracking devices on wolves from different packs to see what their territories would look like.
All green's cooked. All green is so cooked. Oh, I'm so sorry, green.
This company developed a device that can pick up different types of sauces, such as ketchup and mustard, without changing its shape.
Oh, why are you fucking... Ah! No, don't put it back. Clean it. Keep it clean. Stop putting it back. Just clean it. No, stop. Take it away. Stop putting...
In case you didn't know, Saturn is
fucking
losing its
triggering
rings,
me.
so in about 150 million years, Saturn will look like this. In case you didn't know, we have a lot of junk floating around Earth. The red dots are satellites, the blue dots are rocket bodies, and the gray dots are miscellaneous space debris. It's estimated that there are over 500,000 pieces of space junk floating near Earth. Almost every piece of debris is traveling at speeds of over 17,000 miles per hour. The debris is usually created from a rocket launch or satellites crashing into each other. Astronauts that live in the International Space Station frequently need to take maneuvers to avoid crashing into space debris. Betelgeuse is a nearby star in the night sky that's so big that it would swallow our entire solar system.
No!
In a few thousand years, Betelgeuse is expected to explode into a supernova. The explosion will be so bright and large that it would look like this in our sky during both day and night.
You fucked up for that.
Scientists have discovered how to eat the meat from a living cow without hurting it. What they do is harmlessly extract a small amount of cells from the cow. Those cells are then taken to a lab where they are grown into large pieces of muscle. Within 3 weeks, you have an actual piece of meat from a cow that is still alive, happy, and healthy.
Let me get the ketchup pickup machine to clean you up, Picant. Why is my mind like this?
This microscopic organism is able to stretch out its neck really long and then swallow.
Instead of sitting there with like your fucking legs spread, you just get the He isn't getting the towel, he's getting the fucking ketchup pickup machine.
This other organism in one giant bite.
Ew. Dude, it's all yours, girl. Why you
This
eat
YouTuber
like that?
made the most expensive carbonated water ever. He took diamonds and burned them until they created carbon dioxide. He then took that carbon dioxide and created carbonated water.
At over $1,000 for this bottle, though, not even counting labor, I still wasn't sure if it was actually worth all the work and money.
Fuck no.
Tastes, exactly like soda water.
Over 30 years ago, a large comet slammed into Jupiter. The impact had the same force as over 5 billion atomic bombs. I found an incredible video showing a microscopic view of what happens to germs when you use soap. The soap destroys the cell's
Clean,
membrane,
not clean.
causing
Clean,
it to fall
not clean.
apart.
Clean, not clean. Can you imagine like a bunch of fluid just makes you like fall the fuck apart? It's just like, oh, there goes my body, fucking disintegrates. I guess I'm dead.
If you take a piece of tape and put it on your face and then
Like
look at it
acid?
under a
True.
microscope, you'll see something pretty interesting. These are face mites, and they are living on your face
Nom,
right
nom,
now.
nom, nom.
They spend their lives living in the pores of your skin. Try not to freak out, as there's basically nothing you can do to get rid of them.
Nom nom nom. Oh my god, do I have to name them
A
all? Do
few
I have to
years
pay
ago, a
child
space
support?
probe
Mite
landed on a
support?
comet and briefly captured these images. One of my subscribers made a mini tornado in their living room. They used a smoke
Whoa.
machine to make the smoke and then turned their ceiling fan in
Whoa.
reverse to create the tornado.
Whoa! 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 Yo, that's sick!
This is the decellularization process of a spinach leaf. Scientists are removing the cells from this leaf so that all that remains is the scaffold. The next step would be to fill the leaf with cells of a different organism. Scientists believe it will soon be possible to grow anything from animal meat to a human heart using this method.
What the fuck? My spinach!
If
Spinach
you
starts
own pottery
pulsating.
that was made before the 1970s, there's a good chance that it's radioactive.
Oh.
Many plates and cups that were made in the United States were painted with a glaze that was made of uranium. Here you can see the radioactive particles moving off this piece of pottery.
Yeah, no, thank you so
Here's
much.
a time-lapse video over the span of 20 years showing how these stars are orbiting around a black hole.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This YouTuber wanted to see if you could cook meat by slapping it.
I guess so, right?
And we're off. Yes, we have an increase in temperature, 9 degrees C. Let's go.
Oh, do me next.
60 degrees. 60 degrees. We got this. Yes, the steak is done. It's cooked. Past that, it actually tastes pretty good. I can't believe it.
Here's an extreme closer-up of what your blood looks like.
Freaky! Thank you for the 5! Thank you! Lily, you're good. The Meat Slapper 9000. That shit tenderized.
This person captured a video of rocket debris flying across the sky.
Ooh, that looks so pretty though. It should shoot up more debris.
A scientist put some pieces of glass next to some sticky tape to see what these ants would do. Turns out these ants are smart enough to use the pieces of glass to create a bridge over the tape.
Whoa.
What you're looking at right now is the spinal cord of a baby fish still inside their embryo. This is a close-up time-lapse video showing how the nervous system of a fish grows inside of the egg.
Crazy how that works.
This YouTuber wanted to see if he could play video games on his calculator while having it be powered entirely by potatoes.
No batteries, only wires. The wires plug into these right back into the action.
Some of these potatoes are so moldy. He took so long to finish this. It's so fucking moldy too. That must have smelled crazy.
Running on potatoes.
A molecular biologist created these worms that can digest plastic.
Can I swallow those worms?
Scientists in Japan have created the world's smallest chariots, which are powered by microscopic algae.
What's a chariot? What am I looking at? What is that? Small
This
enough
person
for
created
Lily?
his own plasma bottle
the
launcher
hell?
using propane gas.
Oh, like a hoist. Oh, it's like a transportation device. Oh, that makes sense.
They have a unique ability to use their mandibles to launch themselves out of danger. This ant fell into a sand pit and was going to be eaten by a predator, but was able to launch itself to safety.
Can you? Oh god. Oh god. Bro, that thing was flying, alright? That thing is fucking
Able to launch itself
spinning.
to safety.
Can you imagine? This is your safety. Bzzz, spin away. Bong. Bong. God. The way they're falling fucking head
Thanks so much for
first,
watching.
too.
Just a heads up, I did make an entire YouTube channel dedicated just to science videos, daily dose of science.
Oh god, that's
if
fucking
science is what you
awesome.
love, if you love learning stuff, this is the channel for you. If you don't like learning stuff, then stay right here, I guess on this channel right here. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later, Daily Dose. Thank you so much.